Hi, my name is Helge and welcome to my channel. In the last few videos we did some great job on the Lego Knight project. This is the sword and this is the shield. If you have missed any of the videos, we'll link it in the description below. And this video is all about the lance. This is really huge, but wait for it. Normally on the field there's a flag on top of the lance, so I think we should have this also. Okay, this is one of the biggest parts I've ever printed so far. For sure this did not fit in one piece in the 3D printer, but in the end turns out really great. Let's see how it looks together. So this project is almost done. What's missing is the helmet and the last piece of the armor and some big weapon to win this fight.